In okay, today's class was about psychology. Class was about how our body stores memory memories. So it is all about new dendrites and the structure that our body has, how our body receives information, or so those are through these small structures. And how a person is behaving depends on two things: his upbringing, that is called behavioral, and one is genetic behavior, another is like upbringing or environmental behavior. So depending on what kind of genetics he has more than 50% genetics of his parents, or less than that. Depending on those things, his behavior is actual behavior is determined. And in it is found during studies, through studies, that it can also be changed. So actual situations are ultimately a combination of both. And this is the reason that to understand why a person is behaving, you need to go into the genetics and then understand the behavior. Then you will see that a particular behavior can be changed, or why it is happening. Understanding that is important. Then you can see up to what extent that behavior can be improved or kind of modified or kind of challenged. So if it is the root of that person, then it won't be, you can channelize that behavior. If someone is getting aggressive, you can do gym or you can do creative stuff. You cannot fully stop that behavior, because ultimately you cannot stop the flow, or you cannot for that you have to change the genetics of that person, which is very difficult in most of the cases. Thank you.